Imagine this. You walk into your office on a Monday morning, coffee in hand, ready for the week. But in your chair sits a sleek, metallic figure, already sorting through the data you were meant to analyze. Your manager explains your role has been optimized. A machine now does your job faster, more accurately, and without breaks. This isn't science fiction. For many, it's reality. The shock is real. Years of expertise suddenly feel obsolete. What do you do when a machine can perform your life's work in seconds? This isn't just a factory worker's problem anymore. It's everywhere, from art studios to hospitals. The robot's arrival is a symbol. We're in a new industrial revolution driven by AI and automation. Efficiency and progress are promised, but so is the fear of being left behind. It's a challenge to our identity as workers and as people. As you watch the robot work, questions race through your mind. How did this happen? What now? Where do I fit? Automation isn't just about technology. It's about people. It's about our ability to adapt, to learn, and to redefine work. The day the robot arrives isn't the end. It's the start of a new, uncertain chapter for all of us. The world is changing, fast. The question is, how will we respond? Our story with automation is just beginning. The robot that took your job didn't appear overnight. Automation is quietly reshaping every industry. Robots glide through warehouses, smart assistants run our homes, and AI is everywhere. In medicine, surgical robots perform delicate operations. In agriculture, drones monitor crops and optimize resources. Even creativity is touched. AI composes music, writes, and creates art. Why? Efficiency. Robots work non-stop, process data at lightning speed, and rarely make mistakes. Businesses get faster, cheaper, better results. Consumers get lower prices and better products. The economic incentives are huge, so automation spreads rapidly. But as machines grow more capable, they move beyond manual labor into cognitive jobs, customer service, accounting, even legal research. The question isn't if automation will affect your job, but when. Understanding this shift is the first step to navigating what's next. The march of the machines is global and unstoppable. It's changing what work means for everyone. The future belongs to those who adapt. Are you ready? When a robot takes a job, the impact is immediate. Financial anxiety sets in. How will you pay the bills? Support your family? The loss of a paycheck is real and stressful. But losing a job is more than losing income. Our work shapes our identity and gives us purpose. Without it, people can feel lost and disconnected. Workplaces are communities. Losing them means losing daily social bonds. The fear of automation is about more than unemployment. It's about losing our place in the world. We must approach the future of work with empathy. It's not just about efficiency, it's about people's dignity and well-being. Addressing these concerns is crucial. The challenge is to manage this transition with care. Technology should serve humanity, not displace it. The human cost must never be ignored. Machines are fast, precise, and tireless. In logic and repetition, they win. But humans have something unique, creativity. We imagine, innovate, and dream up what's never existed. We write poems, design buildings, and solve problems no algorithm can predict. Beyond creativity, we have empathy. We comfort, inspire, and connect on a deeply human level. A nurse's touch, a teacher's encouragement, a leader's vision, these are irreplaceable. Our ability to feel and understand is our greatest strength. The future isn't humans versus robots. It's about different strengths. Let machines handle the routine. Let humans innovate, care, and lead. The human spark isn't obsolete. It's our greatest asset. Let's unleash it. The future of work is collaboration. Humans and robots as teammates. In factories, cobots handle heavy lifting while people focus on quality and judgment. In healthcare, robots assist surgeons and nurses, freeing them to provide care and comfort. In classrooms, AI personalizes learning, while teachers inspire and mentor. Technology becomes an assistant, not a replacement. This partnership leverages the best of both machine speed and precision, human creativity and empathy. The result? Greater productivity, higher quality, and more fulfilling jobs. Instead of fearing robots, we can see them as tools that amplify our abilities. The goal isn't to work like a robot, but to work with one. Together, we can achieve more than either could alone. Human-robot teaming is the blueprint for the future. It's about synergy, not competition. Let's build it. Automation doesn't just eliminate jobs, it creates new ones. History proves it. New technology brings new opportunities. Today, we need robotics engineers, AI trainers, and data scientists. Robot mechanics keep our automated world running. AI trainers teach machines to be accurate and fair. Human machine team managers orchestrate collaboration between people and intelligent systems. These roles blend technical know-how with human skills. As machines take over routine work, demand grows for jobs requiring empathy, creativity, and connection. Think elder care companions, creativity coaches, and ethical tech advisors. The future of work is full of new opportunities. It rewards our most human qualities. Are you ready to evolve? The rise of robots is a challenge, not a threat. The key is lifelong learning, adapting as the world changes. We must all become students again, building new skills and mindsets. Education systems must prepare us for tomorrow's jobs, not yesterday's. Retraining and upskilling are essential for a smooth transition. Technology is a tool. We choose how to use it. We can design systems that empower, not replace, workers. Automation's benefits can be shared by all, improving quality of life. Imagine shorter work weeks, more creativity, and stronger communities. The story of humans and robots can be one of partnership. Together, we can create a more prosperous, equitable world. The road ahead is challenging, but full of promise. If we work together, the future is bright.